Okay, here is part one of the Signature Hardware shower curtain. It does take a couple people to really put this thing up. We have hung a shower curtain on it so far, so it does appear to be that it is going to work okay. Also, we got from Signature Hardware the faucet kit, which was in brushed nickel, for the clawfoot tub. Whenever you buy this for a clawfoot tub, one piece of advice is that your outlet drain, make sure that if you're buying it from Signature Hardware, they do not sell the 2-inch overflow drain hole kit. So they only sell these for 1.5-inch overflow drain holes. So what I had to do is I went and I got a piece of aluminum. I actually had a guy turn it down for me. You might be hard to see right now. I had to go and have it machined so it would actually fit in the 2-inch hole. So that's just as a piece of advice. We got our holes drilled, measured, cut, and drilled for the drain and the hot and cold water supply lines. So what they look like is this right here. It does have a scutcheon on it to help cover up the hole. So these will go down in the hole, get fastened right up here. Very nice quality stuff. So the cold and hot will be right at floor level for the shutoff valves. Very nice stuff. So like I said, this is part one of the install of the Signature Hardware clawfoot bathtub hookup. In here I also have the shower rod that will go up. It does have the gooseneck, and also we got the porcelain shower head. So once we get it all hooked up, I will go through and put together a part two, which will be the finishing. And this is a Signature Hardware. This is 6 1/4 sunflower shower head, and it is in brushed nickel. It is a little expensive, but I think it's going to go well in this bathroom. So as you walk in, you will be able to see the shower ring and also the clawfoot tub in the bathroom. So until next time, I'll show part two.